Hey, folks, real quick. I want to thank Luis for sending this over. Pretty good deal here, guys. All right, this is the 3/8 drive locking flex comfort grip ratchet. All right, and this is $72.99. All right, it's not one of those things. If you go and put in the search box here some Carlyle ratchets, flex ratchets, you're gonna see $99, $79, $55. Now, I think there's a deal going on today, 20% off. Okay. All Carlisle ratchets. I don't know if it's just Carlisle, might be a lot of other stuff besides them. But anyway, 24.99. All right. If you're interested in a 3/8 flex ratchet, sometimes these can get a little pricey. 72 teeth. You got a 5-degree head arc swing, full polished chrome vanadium, comfort grip, easy on off socket release. Trying to find the length of this one because they also have different lengths, and the longer they are, the more money, right? All right, so 9.62. It's a teardrop head shape. All right, so a 9-inch, almost a 10-inch, $25 over at Napa. I'll put the link. Peace.